Hi, and today I'm going to be talking about Sony Studio Series headphones. I've had these for going on almost a year now. Gotten a lot of use out of them, and they are really good headphones. I like them a lot. This is Sony brand. I tend to buy a lot of Sony stuff. I like the fact that they are very durable, meaning you could drop them or you swing them around if that's what you want to do, and they will still keep working. I've literally done that with these. They have no problem, I really like that. What I basically use them for is to do my video editing. I do video short films and things like that. So I connect these to my audio, to my computer. And I also use them to connect to my cell phone to listen to music, any other audio stuff that's going on my phone. Yeah, that's basically what I use them for. They are white color. I got the white. I've seen them in black in the stores, but I am preference to white because anytime something is like going on my ears or my body or anything like that, I like to know when they get dirty. So yeah, so I know when to wash them. Okay, yeah. And one of the high points, what I like about using these is the cushion here. These cushions are so very soft. It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. This part, it feels like cotton is on your ears on both sides. It's really, really soft. But this part is not just fabric, it's they call a leatherette. An imitation leather. It is very thin. That actually could be a downside, it being very thin, because sometimes I think that it could possibly tear if you snag it on something or anything like that. I haven't had any issue with that. Like I said, I've had these almost a year, and I haven't had any issue with it being damaged in any way, and they stayed fairly clean. But that is one of the things I would be kind of cautious of, not being too rough with the padding here, but they feel really soft. Yeah, and extremely comfortable. They adjust on either side like that. This part here is permanent, but it's not too stiff, to where you're gonna get a headache to where it's pressing on the side of your head so much. I hate that. I've had headphones like that. No, these are very flexible and they squeeze just enough. I like it a lot. They're not wireless. They have a lengthy cord. The cord is about almost 4 feet long. Almost 4 feet. So that gives you plenty of room to, do whatever you need to do. You could stand up or whatever, it's not going to be too short. And it has a 3.5 jack, which is pretty standard for jacks or cell phones or computers. Yeah. I like it a lot. These have a feature that is very, very attractive. While it's like this, these collapse in on themselves, so they don't remain like this. This seems big, and carrying this around like this is a drag because it's going to take up a lot of space. So the fact that it collapses like that is awesome. It really is, because you could store that. See how flat that gets? Completely flat. So you can put it in a drawer or in a bag, anything like that. Pretty cool. That was one of my biggest selling points when I got it, because I like to carry my studio stuff around along my headphones and other objects in computer bag. And the fact that this becomes flat makes it fit really nice. I like that. So I can carry this around with me anywhere I want to go. Like it a lot. Very, very good. I am hoping to get another pair. Like I said, I saw black ones in the store. There may be other colors too, but I only saw another in black. I might get a black pair just because even though I got white, black is my favorite color. So I might get a black pair and use it as a spare, you know, and to see how much stuff shows up a black pair of headphones. But these are nice. These are nice. These do very well. The fidelity in the sound that comes through it is really good. They can really stand up to the big boys out there, the big professional headphones. You get the fidelity. It makes you sound like you're right there in the concert if you're listening to that on whatever you're listening to. It is really, really clear, really, really loud, and really, really precise and crisp for the sound. I like it a lot. Yeah, so hopefully I will get my other pair soon. I'll see which one I like better, the black or the white. It should be fine. I don't think there's going to be much difference, and like I said, there's no real downside other than the fact that this leather is so thin here. It just makes me a little nervous that it could get snagged on something and tear. But other than that, it is an awesome pair of headphones, and I recommend them very, very much. Very good. Okay, well, that's it for this talk, and hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.